penalties upwards of $500 were points added to their driving record, and in some cases, suspended license and community service hours. Drivers are also required to show proof of insurance to the Colorado Bureau of Motor Vehicles to register vehicles. If you not need car insurance or want to switch companies, you can get Colorado car insurance quotes online. So Colorado car insurance minimum requirement in below. Vehicle owners driving on Colorado roads are required to have at least the following minimum limits on their insurance policy. Building bodily injury, $25,000 per person, 50,000 per accident. Property damage, $50,000 per accident. You, you uninsured motorist, $25,000 per person, $50,000 per accident. Medical payment, $5,000 per accident. Uninsured motorist and medical payment can be rejected by signing an option form. There are additional optional coverage that you may carry to better protect yourself and your vehicles. A GCO insurance consultant can assist you in choosing the best Colorado auto coverage for your needs. Colorado 10 driver license process. For Colorado 10s who want to get their license on their 60th birthday, they will need to start driver's education before age 15. Colorado requires students to have held a learner's permit for at least 12 months before applying for a Colorado driver's license. Colorado laws prohibits drivers under 18 years of age from using a mobile phone while driving unless it is to contact the police, fire department, or it is an emergency. Drivers 18 years and older may not use a mobile phone for text messaging while driving unless it's to contact the police, fire department, or it's an emergency. The process of obtaining a driver license varies depending on the driver's age. If you start at or before age 15 or 6 months, you must complete a 30 hours driver's education course before you can apply for a learner's permit. Minimum age 15. Permit holders who have lost 50 hours driving time completed a 6 hours behind the whole training course and have held their permit for at least 12 months can then apply for a driver license. If you start between age 15 and 6 months up to age 16, you can complete a 30 hours driver's education course or a 4 hours classroom driver awareness program to be eligible for a learner's permit. Permit holders who have the laws of 50 hours during time and plus 6 hours behind the whole training if you are younger than 16 years and 6 months when you applied for a license, and who have held their permit for at least 12 months can then apply for a driver's license. If you start at age in 16 or 17, there are no prior driver's education requirements before being eligible to apply for a learner permit. Permit holders who have lost 50 hours driving time and who have held their permit for at least 12 months can then apply for a driver's license. Additionally, 6 hours behind their whole well training in optional. for the at least first year's licensed driving is prohibited between the midnight and 5 a.m. unless accompanied by the instructor, parents, or legal guardian. Colorado registrations information. If you have recently moved to Colorado, you must apply for a Colorado title and registrations for your vehicle within 30 days from established Colorado residency. You will need to apply in the country motor vehicles office in the country where you reside. The following documents are required: your out-of-state title or current out-of-state registrations. If you live in Adams, Arapahoe, Boulder, Denver, Douglas, etc. The verification form completed by a law enforcement officer, a licensed Colorado motor vehicles dealer, or licensed Colorado emissions testing stations. A current and accurate odometer reading, proof of vehicle's insurance coverage, insurance card and copy, and insurance policy letter from your insurance company's the company leather paper. If a lines existing on and out of a state title, the landholder's name and address must be provided if not shown on the out of the state title or registration. Once you arrive at the country motor vehicles office, you will need to pay the title and registration fee. Your Colorado title will be mailed to you if there are no license filed against the vehicle. If there is a lien, if the title will be the mailed to be landholder. Please allow 4 or 6 weeks for delivery. You could switch and save money on insurance, more savings, insurance coverage, and so on. Save time. Do you need the insurance? Why did you? uh, Personalize your car insurance with the coverage you need. Yes, state laws set the minimum for what type and amount of coverage people need for auto insurance. But that really doesn't mean it's enough for you. You are here to help you find the right coverage for you, and that's why we've made it easy to customize your car insurance. Required auto insurance coverage. This pay for damages of injuries other people and their property caused by an accident you are found a fault for. In general, most states requires bodily injuries coverage, property damage coverage, and is insured motorized coverage. Additionally, car insurance coverage. Although this may not be required, they can provide you with an extra layer of protections. These coverages normally take care of damage and injuries to you. In general, there are some optional coverage: collisions, comprehensive medical coverage, emergency roadside ass- assistance, rental reimbursement, mechanical broken insurance. A few things to think about her would